Hi everyone, my name is Lam and today I will present my research on generative AI and knowledge retrieval in knowledge management system. I chose this topic because AI has become one of the most discussed technology in business today, and everyone assumes that AI will replace human, AI will replace data analysts, but I don't think so. So my purpose is to understand how organizations are actually using AI today. And through my research, I found that one of the most valuable use of AI is helping people assess and use knowledge more effectively, and that is what led me to focus on knowledge retrieval. So we can see that organizations today generate huge amounts of information. We have a report, we have emails, we have meeting notes, and the problem is that having information is not the same as being able to find it. And you know what? Employees often spend a significant amount of time searching for the information that already exists somewhere in the organization. And at the same time, tools such as Microsoft Copilot, Confluent AI, and Notion AI are becoming increasingly common in the workplace. And this led to my research question that how is generative AI transforming knowledge retrieval in modern knowledge management system. Before discussing AI, it's important to understand where knowledge retrieval fits within knowledge management. And after researching, I realized that knowledge management is usually associated with creating, storing, sharing, retrieving, and applying knowledge. And what I found interesting is that many organizations already do a decent job of storing knowledge. And the picture challenge is helping employees find and use that knowledge when they need it. So, in other words, knowledge had little values if it just stay in document that nobody can find. And that's why I choose to focus on knowledge retrieval. And one of the biggest opportunities when we use generative AI in knowledge retrieval is semantic research. Traditional search systems rely heavily on keyword, and if employees do not know the exact word used in the document, they may never find it. However, with generative AI, user can ask questions in natural language and search based on meaning, and it's easier for user when we want to find the document. Another opportunity is document summarization. So instead of reading 100-page report, 1,000-page report, employee can quickly review a summary and identify the information that's more relevant to them. And the literature also suggests that AI can support knowledge discoveries by identifying relationship between information sources that user may not consider. So we can see that AI offer many benefits, but on the other hand, it also creates new challenges. And one of the most common concerns is hallucination, where AI generates information that sounds correct, but it actually accurate. Another challenge in knowledge quality. During my research, one idea appeared repeatedly is that AI is only as good as the information it can access. So if organizational knowledge is outdated or inaccurate, AI may simply reduce and summarize poor information. Privacy, security, and user trust are also important concerns, especially in industry where decisions depend on reliable information like healthcare. I have mentioned a lot of articles and research talk about the knowledge management, knowledge retrieval, and AI in healthcare cases. So to see how these ideas are being applied in practice, I looked at three real-world examples. The first one is Microsoft Copilot, which focuses on helping employees retrieve information across multiple Microsoft applications such as Outlook, Teams, Word, Excel, SharePoint. And the second one is Confluent AI. Oh, you know that many organizations already have large knowledge repository, but employees struggle to find the most relevant information, and Confluent AI can help users navigate those more effectively. The third one is Notion AI, which is commonly used in collaborative environment where information is spread across project pages and team documentation. Well, so based on my research, I do not think organizations should view AI as an accomplished solution to KM problem. Instead, AI should be viewed as a tool that works alongside existing KM practices. And AI still need high quality knowledge repository. They also need clear governance policies, and they also need the employees who can evaluate information critically. So after the paper, I have a deeper understanding of how generative AI is changing the way organizations retrieve and use knowledge. And the biggest values of AI, you know what? The big its biggest values may not be creating new knowledge. Instead, its value lies in helping people have been employees find and accept and apply the knowledge that already exists within the organization. So I believe that if we understand and know how to use generative AI, we would not be replaced. Instead, AI would be our best assistant, and it would become an important part of knowledge management, particularly in the area of knowledge retrieval. So I hope that my paper can be useful, and thank you for listening.